Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolor Mentor, and in this class we'll be painting some loose watercolor landscapes and learning my fun and easy wet and wet watercolor process along the way. You're going to learn how to paint a cloudy mountain landscape, a vibrant landscape with trees, as well as two famous architectural landscapes. By the end of this class, you'll have the skills and confidence to be able to paint loose architectural and natural landscapes from a reference photo. You also have some beautiful paintings to show off to your friends and family. I'm really excited to get started, so sign up for this class and let's have some fun painting.